So ayun, pinirma mo na yung JO, nag-start ka na ng training sa BPO. So first day mo sa training as a call center agent or sa back office, there's one thing I recommend, okay? So you want to ensure na you pass sa onboarding sa production kasi sa training sa BPO, yung first couple of weeks I think or yung first month is basically product training. After mo ng product training, you're gonna be moved sa production para mag-nesting for probably couple of weeks, 2 weeks or probably 1 month. Make sure you have great attendance. When I meant great attendance, you want to make sure it's 100%. Okay? Don't be late, don't be absent. Make sure you show na you're dependable.